Okay, in this video, I'm just going to go through how to use the how to create your own display ads on using Google AdWords. And I'm going to run through a couple things. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go over, in this particular case, this is a remarketing campaign. So with remarketing, we will create a code on all the web pages of a particular website. So when somebody visits that website and then they leave and they travel around and they do searches on other websites, the ads for this particular company will follow that person around because, and this is very effective. It's almost like an email drip campaign. Because what it's doing is a lot of people will do searches, they'll land on a website, they may not be ready to make a buying decision right then and there, and the remarketing will help stay in front of that consumer, and hopefully that will help them convert into a buyer. So in this particular case, what you do is you go over here, you click remarketing, you click ads, you click office space, and then what you can do is you can click this little red add button, and you can then you're going to get a little drop down menu, you can click image add. Okay, let me pause for once. Okay, so what you can do now is you're going to be taken to this page. Now there's a little so choose how to create your image ad, get an ad ideas from. Now you can click on this pencil here, and you can put in any page URL that you want. So if you want a ad specific to something in particular, in this case it's office space, or if you wanted to make an ad very relevant to conference rooms, you could do that. So what you do is you put your link right in here, and we can click create an ad. And what happens is it's Google, this little feature is going to scan through the page, through the content, and we are going to get a couple of different ad ideas, which is really sort of nice here. And so on this one we have 4 different choices. Now there are 8 different ad sizes that are most generally used. There's probably about 25 different size options. But what you do here is, let me pause this for 1 second. Okay, so now if you want to design your ad, you can click edit. Okay, and you're going to get an ad here. Now what you can do, let me scroll down a little bit, and you've got the ability to edit different blocks on your site. You want to change the wording here from NYC offices from 1,000 a month, or impress clients and save money, or you want to change this to like click here, or more info, or some kind of call to action. And you can upload images. There's a number of different things that you can do to adjust this ad, and you can also create it in different sizes. So for example, you can adjust it so it's more of a vertical skyscraper ad, and you can adjust each one. So that's mainly about it. Now what you can do is what we have here down on the very bottom. Let me pull this down a little bit so we can see this. Hang on 1 second. Okay, so on this one here, you can actually click, you can create your ad name, you can put your display URL. That's not really that important. You could get rid of this right here, and you could just delete the word office rental. This is not really important. What's important is your destination URL, where you're going to link to. And then you want to create a name for your ad, and then you click done. Now once you've made any edits to your ad, You can click. Let me scroll down here a little bit. You can click select, and then you can scroll up here, and you can okay, let's click. If you click the word select, like right here, I click the word select, or you can deselect it, and then you can come up here and you can preview the ad in various sizes, and you can click save, and from there you can set up your display ad, and you can set up numerous campaigns. You can try different ads to try split testing and see what kind of results you get, and we can do it a lot of different ways. There's a lot of different options um, to give you a lot of different if the more variations of these ads that you use, the more you're going to be able to analyze the metrics and look at how well the click-through rates are converting. um, you're going to really be able to measure your rate of your return on investment for these particular ads. So let me pause again. Okay, and right here you can see, here's a screenshot of the different ad sizes. You've got squares and rectangles of various sizes. You've got skyscrapers, which are more your vertical, like a typical skyscraper. Leaderboard are going to be wider horizontal ads, as opposed to skyscrapers, which are vertical. And then if we scroll down just a little bit here, let me pull this down just a touch, and you can see that there are mobile ads. Now these, where the red arrows are showing, the red arrows are showing the most popular sizes. So you don't need to make ads for every single size, but if you look at these are the most popular. So that's about it. That's how it works, and if you need any help with these, let me know. That's step one. From there, we're going to set up the campaigns, and the cost per click is a lot cheaper than a typical ad. And a lot of like if you're in the office space market in New York City, a typical ad is going to easily be in the $10 to $20 a click range, whereas these kind of remarketing ads are could be anywhere from $1 to $2 per click, maybe even less. So we have to measure the results, but that's basically about it.